See, this is the shading part, so let's begin. Do the same way in the next eye. Now the forehead. Now we'll go to the lips. And then the broad edges. Now we'll give a darker shade to the cheek and the neck. Now forward it to the ears. Now I'll move to the coat. In the coat, little only shading because it's white. And here we come across the tie. Now I'll shade it. Now coming across another part of the coat, I'll shade this as well. You also color this and shade it with tissue or maybe sometimes your fingers. Now the hair. So simply color with the pencil in the hair and shade the part. Let me do it and you also do it. And remember to shade this part as well. So this much for today, and I will upload the link of the first part in the description. Hope you enjoy this video and try this portrait of Donald Trump. He's a good man and hope you try his portrait. So thanks for watching.